Alright, so this is pen blank number 4. I only videoed 3, but it's pen blank number 4 of the orange series that I'm doing for this customer. Orange and white in this one. We're doing this one for a Sierra Click pen. Alright, we get this sanded and polished up, and we will get this going. Alright, time to get this Sierra pen put together. This is a chrome click pen, button click Sierra pen. I'm going to run the clip right down this white section here. And then put our bushing on here. Take our click tip off. All right, go ahead and tighten her up there, child. Keep going. Use those muscles. All right, hold on, stop. Back it off. I gotta put something flat in here in order to drive that last bit the rest of the way. Keep going. Back, 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 back. I gotta fit this blank in there. Back, 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 back. Keep going. A little more. Perfect. All right, drive her home. That means send it. Put it all the way in. English is hard. Nothing we say means what we say. Perfect. Good job.
Move that back. Move your back. Move your back. Move your back, baby.
Okay. So now, take our clicker, put it back on there. Threads back in. Take our ink and spring, drop that inside, and take our tip, thread that in. Flawless. Beautiful orange and white on there. Really nice click mechanism. That turned out great. All right, let's go get that off your guys' Godfather. Kaylin, come over here.
I'm coming.
Come more forward. You're not in frame. There we go. Say, bye, Merry Christmas.
Bye. Have a happy holiday.
No, you say bye, Merry Christmas.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Oh, you goober. You want to say anything?
Bye, Merry Christmas. We love you.